Clear? All right, put it in reverse and go backwards.
Reverse?
Reverse, R. Look, don't look there, look right there. Push it in. Okay. Back up. Keep your steering wheel straight, don't turn it. Why, exactly, you turn it, you're gonna go into, there you go, keep it straight. Don't turn. Look in the rear view here. Don't look in the mirrors. Look in your mirrors. Use your mirrors as your guide. There you go. Okay. Now stop. Stop first. Then you put it in gear. Okay.
Then?
Put it in drive. Make a right. Don't forget to turn on your blinker.
Someone's running over Daddy.
I don't care. They're running on the far side. You can run on.
Yeah, they're running when they're...
So? Wait till you get a car. And we run up down the highway all the time. All right, make a right. There you go. You have to turn your steering wheel. Okay. I think she's hitting every bump on purpose.
Is they running there?
It's okay, who cares? What does that have to do with anything? Right. Okay, stop a minute. Let me stop. Okay. All right, let me...